Have a blessed day, everyone. Uh, I and Sir George Barcelos will present to you the SPSS. So, what is SPSS? It is an statistical package for the social sciences. It is also a comprehensive and flexible statistical analysis and data management solution. It is a computer program used for survey, authoring, and deployment, data mining, text analytics, statistical analysis, and collaboration and deployment. SPSS can take data from almost any type of file and use them to generate tabulated reports, charts, and plots of distributions and trends, descriptive statistics, and conduct complex statistical analysis. So, SPSS is among the most widely used programs for statistical analysis in social science. It is developed by Norman H. Nye and C. Hadley Hull of IBM Corporation in the year 1968. It is compatible with Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac operating systems. SPSS is among the most widely used programs for statistical analysis in social science. It used in telecommunications, banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, consumer, packaged goods, higher education, government, and market research. What are the features of SPSS? It is easy to learn and use. It includes a full range of data management system and editing tools. It provides in-depth statistical capabilities. It offers complete plotting, reporting, and presentation features. Getting data into SPSS. Creating new SPSS data files. Opening existing SPSS system files. Importing data from a ASC2 file. Importing data from other file formats. Editor. The data editor offers a simple and efficient sheet like facility for entering data and browsing the working data file. This window displays the content of the data file. One can create a new data files or modify existing ones. One can have only one data file open at a time. This editor provides two views of the data. Data view displays the actual data values or defined value labels. Variable view displays variable definition information, including defined variable and value labels, data type, etc. So pivot table editor output can be modified in output can be modified in many ways with is editor and can create multi-dimensional tables. Example, we can edit text, swap data in rows and columns. So text output editor. Text output not displayed in pivot tables can be modified with the text output editor. High resolution or chart editor. High resolution charts and plots can be modified in chart windows. We need to save it and give it a name. The default extension name for saving files is SAV. Example, SPSS.save or and dot save. Also, we can able to retrieving also already saved file. What are the variables? Variable is all is a user defined name of particular type of data to hold information such as income or gender or temperature or dosage. Array of variable is a collection values of similar data types. Variable types: numeric, comma, dot, scientific notation, date, custom currency, and string. So rules for variable names. Names must begin with a letter. Names must not end with a period. Names must be no longer than 8 characters. Names cannot contain blanks or special characters. Names must be unique. Names are not case sensitive. It doesn't matter if you call your variable client, client, or client. It's all client to SPSS. Basic steps in data analysis. Get your data into SPSS. We can open a previously saved SPSS data file. Read and spreadsheet. Read a spreadsheet database or text data file or enter directly in the data editor. Select a procedure. Select a procedure from the menus to calculate statistics or to create a chart. Select the variable for the analysis. Variables in the data file are displayed in a dialog box for the procedure. Run the procedure. Results are displayed in the viewer. Statistical procedures. After entering the data set in data editor or reading an ASC2 data file, we are now ready to analyze it. The procedures available are reports, descriptive statistics, custom tables, compare means, general linear model or JLM. Correlate, regression, long linear, log linear, classify, data reduction, scale, non-parametric tests, time series, survival, multiple response. Reports. Report is a textual work made with the specific intention of relaying information or recounting certain events in a widely presentable form. Descriptive statistics. This provides these techniques for summarizing data with statistics, charts, and reports. Customs table. Custom tables. It provides attractive, flexible displays of frequency counts, percentages, and other statistics. Compare means. This provides techniques for testing differences among two or more means on their values of for other variable. General linear model. This provides technique for testing univariate and multivariate analysis of variance models, including repeated measures. Correlate. This provides measures of association for two or more variable measured at the interval level. Regression. This provides a variety of regression techniques, including linear, logistic, nonlinear, weighted, and two-stage least squares regression. Log linear. This provides general and hierarchical log linear analysis and logit analysis. So classify. This provides cluster and discriminant analysis. Data reduction. This provides factor analysis, correspondence analysis, and optional scaling. So, Sir George will continue to present to you the next slides up to the end. Thank you so much and stay safe and blessed.
Scale. This provides reliability analysis and multi-dimensional scaling. Nagbibigay daw siya ng reliability na analysis tsaka multi-dimensional scaling. Non-parametric test. This provides non-parametric test for one sample or two paired or independent sample. Time series provides exponential smoothing, autocorrelated regression, ARIMA X11, seasonal decomposition spectral analysis, and related techniques. Survival. This provides techniques for analyzing the time for some terminal event to occur, including Kaplan-Meier analysis and Cox regression. Multi-response. This provides facilities to define and analyze multiple response. Bar. Type of graphs. Bar graph. Generate simple, clustered, or stack bar chart of the data. Line graph. Generate a simple or multiple line chart or of the data. Area graph. Generate a simple or stack area chart of the data. Ito yung bar graph. Makikita natin yung puro bar siya. From the word itself, bar graph. Ito naman yung line graph. May line siya, tas yung point niya, yung line, nilalagyan na lang ng point para makita kung saan siya nakastay na number. Ang area chart naman ay ganito. Iba-ibang kulay para makita yung kung saan ba siya nakatutok. Pie graph generates a simple pie chart or a composite bar chart from data. Box plot generates box plot showing the median outline and extreme cases of individual variables. Ito yung itsura ng pie chart. Nahati-hati siya. From the word itself, pie. Parang pie. Ito naman ang group box plot. Meron siyang origin sa gilid. Ay, legend sa gilid. Tapos yung ano niya, yung loob ng graph, makikita natin may box. Tapos sa loob kung ano yung nakalagay sa legend. Pareto generates Pareto charts, bar chart with a line superimposed showing the cumulative sum. Control produce the most commonly used process control charts. Ito yung Pareto chart. Parang pinagsamang bar graph tsaka line graph. Ito naman ang X-bar chart. Control chart. Makita natin para siyang gitara. String ng gitara. Tapos may line graph din siya. Kaso hindi siya straight line. Curved line siya. Normal p-plots graph. The cumulative proportion of variable distribution against the cumulative proportions of the normal distribution. Normal q-plots, the quantiles of a variable distribution against the quantiles of the normal distribution. Sequence, produce a plot of one or more variables by order in the file, suitable for examining time series data. Normal p-plot, ito siya. Isang line graph, tas sa gilid niya may mga point of origin ng numbers. Normal q-plot, ganun din yung itsura ng graph niya. Same lang sila ng normal p. Time series autocorrelation. Calculate and plots the autocorrelation function or ACF and partial autocorrelation function of one or more series to any specified number of logs, displaying the box L-Jung statistic at each log to test the overall hypothesis that the ACF is zero at all logs. Ito siya, yung parang sa hospital. Time series cross-correlation calculates and plot the cross-correlation function of two or more series for positive, negative, and zero logs. Ito naman siya. The time series spectral calculates and plots univariate or bivariate periodograms and spectral density functions which express variation in a time series as the sum of a series is sinusoidal components. It can optionally save various components of the frequency analysis as new series. Itong itsura niya. Parang line graph na naging wave. SS Advantage of SPSS. SPSS offers a user friendliness that the most packages are only now catching up to. It is popular, and though that is certainly not a reason for choosing a statistical package. Many datasets are easily loaded into it, and other programs can easily import SPSS files. Disadvantage: for academic use, SSPS lags notably behind SAS, R, and even perhaps the others that are on the more mathematical rather than statistical side for modern data analysis. Its menu offerings are typically the most basic of an analysis and sometimes lacking even then, and it makes doing it excuse me inappropriate analysis very easy. It is expensive, sometimes ridiculously so, and even when you do buy, you're really only leasing, and its license is definitely not user friendly. There are often compatibility issues with prior. Thank you. Yun lang po. Salamat.